I have decided to do an insane thing. I will paint a pair of my shoes with a marker. I had to repair this spot, and I did so, but the glue mark has become very noticeable. I have already covered the spot with paint, but another issue has arrived. Actually, the complete front part must be painted. May this really work? I have already completed this section. Let's paint further. Both shoes are done. I have left this triangle unpainted. Clearly, there is a difference. But there appeared some stripes, so this result is not good. I had to do another round to improve the painting. Here is the final result. A black marker of random brand has managed to do the great work. Do you like this content? Subscribe.